Hello and welcome to a new tutorial. My name is Daisy. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to layer 3D Puff heat transfer vinyl on t-shirts of all types of fabric. And for this project, we're going to need a cutting machine. I will be using my Cricut Maker machine. 3D Puff heat transfer vinyl. I will be using yamation 3D Puff heat transfer vinyl. They offer a variety of beautiful colors. I'm going to link it in the video description below. And to transfer the design, we're going to need an iron or a heat press machine. I'm going to be using my vevor 10x12 manual heat press machine. Also, you're going to need a heat resistant mat. This one came with the vevor heat press machine. I'm going to link all of the supplies used in this tutorial in the video description below. I'm going to start working with the tutorial, but before, I would like to invite you to please support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. First, we're going to work with the design. I'm using the Cricut Design Space program. I'm going to show you how to insert the image. Go to Upload, Upload Image, Browse, open the folder where you have your image, select it and open it. Upload. Now that you already have it in the Cricut gallery, select it and insert it to the canvas. Select the image and click on Group. This image has 2 layers, but I'm going to add a 3rd layer. I'm going to customize a t-shirt using 3 layers of 3D vinyl. I'm going to select the black layer and I'm going to duplicate it. Then I'm going to click on Couture. Now here I'm going to click on Hide All Coutures and I'm going to select all the areas that I wish to leave on this layer. In this case, it's going to be the text. When ready, close the window. And there you have the 3rd layer. I'm going to place it on top of the design and I'm going to change the color to white. Select the layer, go to Operations and click on the color bar and change it to the color of your choice. I will be customizing a white t-shirt, but believe me, the white 3D vinyl will look pretty inside the black border. As you can see, all the layers are sliced. This means that all the cut layers of 3D vinyl will be touching the fabric. Like this, we can customize using several layers. Now, you may press one layer of 3D vinyl on top of the other one if you wish. I have tried and still look beautiful, but I don't recommend layering more than 2. This beautiful design is from Creative Fabrica. I'm going to link it in the video description below. Now I'm going to resize it and I'm going to go ahead and cut the layers. Go to Make It. And here are the 3 layers. Now click on Continue. And here we're going to select the material that we're going to cut. I am cutting 3D heat transfer vinyl, but I'm going to select Everyday Iron On. And since we are cutting iron on, we need to select all the layers and click on mirror mode. We have to do this process every time we are cutting iron on vinyl. Place the 3D vinyl with the shiny part touching the mat. I am using the purple mat, but you may use the green one. To cut the 3D vinyl, I am using my Cricut Maker machine. I'm going to link it in the video description below. Now I will go ahead and transfer the layers to the t-shirt. I'm going to press each layer at 302 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 seconds. But first, I'm going to iron the t-shirt to remove the wrinkles. After that, you may use a lint roller to clean the surface. Now I'm going to align the first layer. Before pressing, place a piece of butcher paper on top and press it at 302 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 seconds. I am using my vevor heat press machine. I'm going to link it in the video description below. And the first layer is ready. Now I'm going to align the second layer. And since this layer is smaller than the first one, we're going to need to place the film that we remove from the first layer. Place a piece of butcher paper on top and press it at the same time and temperature. Remember to check the description below, since there I'm going to link all of the supplies used in this tutorial. And let's see how it turned out. It's beautiful. I love it. Look at the details. Gorgeous. I love this yamation puff vinyl. Remember, I'm going to link it in the video description below. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.